Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. Which legal provision restricts the applicability of the Hindu Succession Act to members of scheduled tribes? Option A. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. Option B. Section 3 of the Hindu Succession Act. Option C. Section 2 Clause 2 of the Hindu Succession Act. And Option D. Article 46 of the Indian Constitution. The correct answer is Option C. Recently in Manni Devi versus Ramadevi and others, Section 2 Clause 2 of the Hindu Succession Act states that the act does not apply to the members of scheduled tribes unless the central government notifies otherwise. In this case, the Rajasthan High Court highlighted how this provision acts as a barrier for tribal women seeking inheritance rights despite equal rights being available to non-tribal daughters. Question number 2. Which of the following the court consider as the most serious form of criminal contempt? Option A. Filing a false affidavit in court. Option B. Threatening a public official. Option C. Decaying court proceedings intentionally. And Option D. Threatening someone from approaching the court. The correct answer is Option D. Recently, in Amit Singh Pariyar versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others, the Allahabad High Court held that threatening or intimidating a person to prevent them from seeking legal remedies is the most serious form of criminal contempt, as it strikes at the heart of the justice delivery system. Question number 3. Under the Indian Contract Act, bailment refers to Option A. Transfer of ownership of goods. Option B. Delivery of goods for sale. Option C. Delivery of goods for a specific purpose under a contract. And Option D. Permanent transfer of goods without any condition. The correct answer is Option C. Section 148 of the Indian Contract Act defines bailment as the delivery of goods by one person to another for a specific purpose under a contract, with the condition that the goods shall be returned or disposed of as per the directions of the person delivering them. Question number 4. Under which section of the BNS 2023 is the act of a child under 7 years of age not considered as an offence? Option A. Section 20. Option B. Section 18. Option C. Section 17. And Option D. Section 22. The correct answer is Option A. Section 20 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 states that nothing is an offence if done by a child under 7 years of age, recognizing their lack of criminal intent due to immature understanding. Question number 5. The decision of the arbitral tribunal is called Option A. Decree, Option B. Order, Option C. Award, and Option D. Judgment. The correct answer is Option C. The decision of an arbitral tribunal is formally called as an arbitral award. It's the time for practice question. The power of the president to issue ordinance is an Option A. Legislative power, Option B. Executive power, Option C. Quasi-judicial power, and Option D. Judicial power. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.